Welcome everyone, it's Fury here. This is gonna be video about AI Fury, but this is gonna be a little bit less technical and more like a showcase of what AI Fury is capable of. So, but before we begin, I'm gonna reveal a little my little plan about the videos that refer to AI Fury. So, I'm planning to do like 2 or 3 videos, maybe 4 at best. I would rather say would be like 2 or 3 videos where I'm gonna be showing 2 or 3 different types of games, completely different genres, where AI Fury is able to run the AI. So basically, what this is for is I want to show that AI Fury is not only a cool application for shooter games like I usually show you on the videos, but it's also very useful for the strategy games where AI it's not a real character, but it's just floating code somewhere there. When, for example, in some strategy games, your AI enemy has to think whether he should build some new schools and bring up education of his empire or city, or should he spend money to build bigger army because his neighbors are getting stronger, and so on and so on. So I'm gonna be showing like 2 or 3 completely different various types of games and showing how AI Fury works with it and stuff like this. So this is part 1. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing first or third person shooters in general. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna go here. This is the project I prepared. All of these games will be very, very simple because it's just a waste of time to do some very, very complex, huge games just to show video about them. So this is a first or third person shooter project. I'm gonna run the entire game, show you how, and explain you what my AIs are capable of, and after that, I may show in the end of the video what's new to AI Fury and stuff like this. So, um, oh yeah, one more thing. Since this is first video of the series, I'm gonna just once show how AI Fury is installed at the moment. So you run the installer for AI Fury. You have to point to the directory of your project. You either do it this way, or I'm gonna copy it that way, cause bang. So AI Fury sample, next, yes, and close. So AI Fury is fully installed now. So you have here core folder of the application, and you have also a shortcut, so you don't have to go every time inside here. Also, there is plugin installed into this, so but it's gonna have different name in the future. So I already have my behavior trees here, so all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna run the game right away. Let me put my headphones. Okay, we're in. Okay, what? Okay, we'll wait for it to load, and then I'm gonna change the time of the day, and we will start testing a little bit. Okay, there is a. Let's gotta wait until. Okay, it showed up on the screen here while recording, so cool. That's a simple map I have for the testing, so I'm just gonna do some time of the day change. I like how it looks when it goes like this. So yeah, okay, so first of all, I'm gonna be testing a little bit. I mean, talking about what the AI is capable of in general sense, and then we're gonna get into testing it a little bit. So this is first or third person shooter project, whatever you want to call it, because it's both. So I have a very simple weapon system implemented here, so you can pick up weapons and stuff like this. Also ammo system. So reloading is also working here. There is a few AIs over here, like one is here, a few there, and some. This is general like 6 or 7 of them here in general on the map. So one here, one is behind the building, I think. One is somewhere here, a few there. Okay, before we begin anything, I'm gonna start talking about what they are capable of. So it means they are able to take care of themselves when it comes to combat and weapons. So they are able, if they don't have a weapon, they're able to search for a weapon and pick it up. They're able to search for a ammo if they don't have any, and also pick it up and reload the weapons and stuff like this. So they can take care of themselves. Apart from that, we're gonna get to very cool stuff. Actually, I don't have any team system implemented, so what they're able to is hear noises I make, or one of them. So they're able to pick up, for example, my footsteps. If I walk like this, so they are able to pick up my noise I make while I'm walking. So basically, the faster I walk, the more noise I make, and they're able to hear me from further away. And it's cool. So if I walk like this, they would be probably able to hear me from around 15 or 10 meters away. If I sprint, then they would be able to hear me from further away, like, I don't know, maybe 20 or 25 meters away. And if I sneak very slowly like this, then I'm able to get almost behind their back. So just like in some Hitman game, or kind of stuff like this, where you can get behind somebody's back and kill him in silence, so he won't pull the trigger and not inform any other AIs that he's in trouble. So yeah, so I also have system when I get behind his back, message will pop up that I can break his neck, and then by pressing E key I can kill him right away. So without any right away, so he's gonna lose all the health he's got. Apart from that, they're able to, one more thing, while they spot some noise, they hear some noise behind the rock or something, they're gonna be right away, they will right away draw the weapon and reload it and prepare to fire, and then they're gonna go to check what causes this noise. So they're always prepared to shoot at you. So second thing they can hear is gunshots, which I'm not gonna show you now. I'm gonna show it when we get there, down there to fight with them. So they're able to hear the gunshots, either mine or their own. So basically, if as I said, there is no team system like in most of the games that when you notify one of them, all of them magically know that you are there. No, I did something a little bit more complex. So they can hear the gunshots. So it means that if I let him shoot at me, even if I don't die, and I run somewhere away from there, the AIs in some range specified in Flowgraph, they are able to hear this gunshot, and they're gonna follow this sound, prepare to fire, and go then and look what's going on. So, and it's pretty cool. Also, if I shoot at him, they're gonna hear this gunshot and they're gonna follow the sound as well. So it would be better if you just kill them in silence, because they are pretty accurate. They're actually almost 100% accurate. That's why I made sprinting so quick. So I can run away sometimes, but in reality, when they get any closer to me, there is no way I can run away. They're very accurate, so it's very hard to fight with them. Also, all of these ranges that what they can hear and see, it's all adjustable from within the flow graph. So without any coding, just like that's just what this application was meant to be. So in real life, if I go like over here in a place like this, if I take a shot over here, then people in real life over there could hear the gunshot easily, and even further than this. But I found that in games like this, you don't really want to have too much realism, because that's pretty annoying when I played with these AIs. With so much awareness of their environment, they could hear so much like a real person or so. Then it was so annoying. I was dying every few seconds. So I brought it down before this video, so they are not hearing so much. I mean, they do hear a lot, but I brought these ranges down before the video because it was too hard to play. One more cool thing they're able to hear, but I'm gonna go away from there so I can make some noise over here. So just make sure nobody can hear me before I want it to hear. I created some simple system that oh shit, that went too far. Hopefully nobody could hear it. None of them. No, I don't think there is any AI nearby. Okay, so the longer I hold T button, the further it's gonna go. So basically, that's what that is. Yeah. I can throw the stones, and whenever the stone hits anything like this other rock or ground or any other object, it creates a noise as well. So just this noise is pretty small, so you would have to throw quite close to them to make them notice this noise. So because how much, just let's be honest, how much noise can stone like this make? So the range is pretty small, but we can use the stones to mislead them. So it makes noise whenever it hits something and notifies AIs that can hear this noise. So they automatically draw a weapon. As always, they're gonna go to check what causes this noise. Also, they whenever they spot, they can hear some noise or something like this, they're gonna go to this place and patrol it for a few seconds. It's also all adjustable. All of this stuff, ranges and timing, all this stuff is adjustable from within Flowgraph, which is cool. Yeah. So basically, as I remember properly, when I make a noise with the footsteps or with the stone, so the small noises, they're gonna go there to see what the noise was and then patrol around for about few seconds, like 5 seconds or so. If they actually hear the gunshot, then they're gonna be patrolling this place. If you disappear from there, of course, they're gonna be patrolling this place for about, like, I don't know, 20 seconds, I think, or 15 seconds. So a little bit longer. Okay, so let's get right into this. So I had to talk just so much, but just wanted to prepare for whatever you're waiting. So there is this AI over here. I'm gonna stop sprinting soon. There's this guy over here. I don't want to shoot at him because that would notify a lot of AIs around. I don't want this to happen, at least not just yet. So what I'm gonna do, I could actually, can I? I'm gonna put third-person camera so I can see from the angle. Yes, I can pretty much, you can say I can get behind his back and kill him in silence, as I said. But since this is showcase video, then I'm gonna be playing around with this a little bit more. So I'm gonna throw a little stone over there. So it wasn't enough to notify him. Move a little bit closer. Okay, so he's going to this stone. Oh damn it! There's two of them. So one of that was behind the building, he could hear the stone as well. So as you see, they are patrolling this area now for a few seconds. And they are doing this randomly, just around the area that they could hear the sound. So within some range that it's also adjustable range. They've stopped following. Let's see what direction they have. One of them is looking at my direction, so it's not cool. They're gonna notice me if I go from behind this rock, and trust me, if I expose myself to him now, I'm gonna die in no time. Oh, one more thing. As you can see in right down the corner, I have 100 health points. Very simple health system. Basically what it does is one bullet deals 30 damage. So as well for me as for them. For everyone, it deals 30 damage. So basically, if like I get 4 bullets, that would be 120. So 4 bullets means I'm dead, and also they are. Health is regenerating, but very slowly. So whenever they get closer, you're dead. You can just wait for it. Okay, that might be too far away for them to hear, and it is. Let's do a little bit closer. Still too far, because I don't really have experience that much with this, so I don't know how long should I hold this button to throw it close enough for them to hear. It's still too far away. Ooh, no. That's too close. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. It's getting too close here. If they notice me, I'm dead. Come on, just stop patrolling, please. I don't want to die just on the beginning of the video. Okay, they look in this direction. I'm also unable to get out of here. See what they can... They did not notice this. I'd like to get behind them somehow, but if I sprint behind them, then they're gonna hear my footsteps and I won't be able to run away. Maybe I could get them to go somewhere there, so I could get behind this red house. Holy crap, one more guy could hear it, so there's 3 of them following the sun now. Oh shit, they noticed me. So what I gotta do now is run away, because I'm gonna die. So that's the last place he could see me. Shit, he's coming over. I'm close to dead. Okay, I have just 30 health, so there's no way I can survive this in one versus one match. Shit. Let's just run away. And wait for it, wherever they are. I'm gonna be ready. Oh, 2 of them, no. I'm not gonna be ready. Okay, 1 is dead. Shit. There's some animations issues sometimes. Okay, I threw this stone over there, so probably... Oh shit, he noticed me. So yeah, as I said, it's hard because they are very well aware of the environment around, so... But somehow I managed to kill them. 3 of them at least. I don't remember how many of them was here, so I get a bit more careful. I think there was just 3, and it is more. Let's say our mission is to get on the top of this hill without actually going, around the whole area, but going through the area. I think there is 1 guy over there. Is it? No, it's ammo pack, I think. But I think there was 4 of them here. There was some guy over there as well. So just imagine if there is... If there is a map that you did not make but someone else. I did not place any of them over here. Okay, so yeah. There's a few of them over there. And I could take them down from here, but I think there is like 4 of them there. Yeah, because I did this map a few times and I changed the number. Oh wait, is it? No. I'm almost 100% sure that there was 1 more guy. How many did I kill? 3 or 4? If it was... I'm almost 100% sure. I would go left side and try to sneak behind them. But... for some reasons I think that if I get this way... Oh, ammo pack. Cool. But for some reasons I think that if I go this way, then somebody is gonna come from over there, so let's maybe try to get around this area. I know I said I wouldn't, but fuck it. Holy crap, yeah, that's why I did this sun stuff, because it actually makes it harder to spot them. Sprinting now, so if anyone is around, he's gonna hear me easily. No, not here. So there was nobody here. Unless there's still somewhere. Whatever. Okay, there's a few guys in here that we gotta take down. But almost 100% sure I'm not gonna make it. It's good that I made this system that when I point at them I can see where they are, because otherwise, well, they're pretty strong. Also, I could tweak this a little bit up if I wanted to change difficulty level of this map, or of the game in general. So there's one here. 1, 2, 3. Oh god, I didn't know about you. Okay. Holy crap, he could hear me, he heard me. Shit. Okay, I wasn't sneaking slow enough. So they right away heard my footsteps and I'm dead. Somehow they managed to kill me. So they are somewhere there now. Let's go right side this time. I'll try if maybe... Oh no, this guy behind the house probably heard the gunshots, so they're probably all of them over there. So won't be able to do much. Okay, they are still patrolling this area. As you can see, they're walking around. I mean, they were. Okay, now he's standing, not patrolling anymore. So this 15 seconds or 20 seconds, it's gone. So no, actually the side range is around 100 meters away. So I guess they can probably see me. If he's pointing this direction, he's gonna probably see me easily. So it's not a good idea to go this way. The game runs smooth as I look at it, but if I look at the video capturing software, it's like running 30 frames per second. So no, I can't go this way because there was like 4 of them. So for sure they are spread somewhere here. They're not at one place. I'm gonna try to get inside of this barn, or no, it's not really barn. It's just some forgotten house. Oh, there was one here. Was it? Fucking sun. But it looks cool, isn't it? Tell me what you think. I made this map in a few seconds. Oh, there's shadow issue, but this is just down to some console variables. And also this range where they are patrolling, it's also adjustable. So I think for the gunshots I made it pretty wide, like 20 meters away. So they're patrolling really a bit of area. Show me that. Holy crap. So I'm dead. I'm gonna be dead now. Shit, I knew it. They're gonna patrol it this way. Okay, one is dead. One is down. Oh, they heard the gunshots, so I'm already dead. But let's maybe try to go here. There's another one there. Shit! Come on. That's why this is the reason I didn't wanna fight in open fight with them. So I may try to sneak in here. Oh, he was too fast. He got here. Oh, I'm dead. I did not have time to make a ragdoll stuff, so don't be worried about it. Just made them disappear. Okay, so one of them is behind the red house here. So most likely I will be able to... He's still patrolling this area, because once I disappear from their side, they also gonna patrol the area. And also it's pretty cool, because in reality, how does he know there is nobody else? Right? So I might have been with someone attacking this team. So these guys are probably there somewhere because he was the last one who followed me. He was the first one behind my back, so they are unaware of my position currently. So let's just try to get behind this rock here. I don't want to shot. I wanted to show you this kill from behind thing, but it appears that this will be harder than I thought. So patrol. Hopefully he. Oh, there is more of them. So there's like I'm not gonna be able to kill them from behind. If there's two of them, there's no way. Unless they are both looking at the same direction, so I could get behind both of them and then kill them in silence, but no. Okay. Whoops. Let's make them go away from here. Let's throw it too far away. Yeah, I don't have really experience with this, so I don't know how long should I hold it. Oh, come on, there's more of them coming in here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Holy crap. So this guy could be killed the way I wanted. Maybe. But really maybe. So there's other one. Oh, the other one is gone there because I threw stones somewhere here. It was pretty far away. So he's gone this way on the left. So I may be able, if he does not notice me. I may be able to get behind his back. Unless there is somebody there looking at this direction. Which I should actually check before getting there. Unfortunately, he has already gun reloaded, I'm sure, because my system is made that whenever they have some time and they are not in danger, but they don't have full ammo, then they're gonna reload it. So if reloading takes like 2 seconds for them and for me as well, so you are unable to shoot in 2 seconds from that. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna approach it like this slowly, not even sneaking fluently, but just doing these little steps. I had to tweak this sneaking. Oh shit, that was bad. I have to tweak the sneaking range because they can hear me easily from within a few meters. Still patrolling this area. Fucking asshole, now I'm gonna kill him. Probably there is more of them because he took a shot and hopefully nobody could hear these gunshots. I mean, hopefully, but most likely they could. Unless this was the last one. Let's do it quickly. Not sure if there is any more of them. Okay, it's cool. So we got on the top of the hill. The mission is succeed. Unless we have some more surprise in here, but hopefully not. So yeah, the mission is succeeded, and yeah, we're on the top here. We're on the top. So yeah, that would be it for the showcase of this video. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you this kill from behind, but there wasn't any animation for it anyway, so there would be just clicking one button and the guy disappears, so not really a big deal. So yeah, that would be it. But also, I'm going to show you a little bit what is new to AI Fury. Not too many things, not too much to show, but well, I will show you. So I'm closing the game. Hopefully it's all recorded as I want it. So okay, I'm gonna run the AI Fury here. What is new, for example, is I'm not sure if there's okay. As you remember, when creating leaf nodes, you had to type like here. You had to type what exactly name it has and so on. Go to point blah blah. That's what you had to do with the leaf nodes, and then you had to follow the same in the flow graph. But now it goes a little bit different. You gotta go here, choose leaf task directory, then go to your project and assets, libraries, and flow graph modules folder. If you don't have it, just create it. Okay. Now I'm gonna reopen. This will be fixed. I will not have to reopen anymore. So once creating the leaf nodes, you have full list of the. Actually, I'm gonna show you actually. I have the flow graph modules in here. Right, so various actions for the AI I created. So AI Fury will read everything that is inside of this folder, so you can see it all here, all of them, and you don't have to be careful about case sensitivity, but you just create the flow graph and it's gonna appear here in application. This is pretty cool. What else is new? This all was here already. What is new is pretty much that now all of these color stuff it's working properly, changing types of it and whatnot. Which can change whatever you want. Colors of the plaques for, or however you want to call it. I call it plaques internally, or panels and stuff. And node itself color as well. Like I don't know here. Over here it's node color based, but yeah, the fucking font is okay. So this looks pretty good. Whatever. It's gonna be all saved within the file, so whenever you reload the your behavior tree is gonna be all good. Also here, before, as you remember, these namings were going out, so now it's just actually node will adjust itself to the size of it. So pretty useful if you want to have some longer naming. Also, it was annoying when I wanted to move the node, and this was still appearing over here, so I couldn't move it over there. So that's what is fixed. When I start moving it, it's gonna disappear. Also with these things here, I'm actually gonna close this tab and open up my tutorial tree. This is behavior tree we're seeing in action a few minutes ago. So this is the AI that was running. So but it's a little bit bigger because I have some actions over here. These are trees separately, so if I go inspect gunshot area action, then you're gonna see that it's another tree over here and another tree is over here, so they are like merged together. So this would be way bigger. You have another tree here, 3, 4, 5, 6, so like 6 or 7 trees plus this one, so it's pretty big, but yeah. Also, as you see, when you get so far away from here, you can't see any more of these, their names and stuff. So you go show node info. So now when you hover over the node, then it's gonna the information about it will pop up. So you can kind of see entire tree while also having overview over these guys here. Zoom step ratio, it's pretty much like you want to have it being uh, zoomed faster or slower. That's pretty much it. I like when it's down to 1 because it's pretty accurate. So also it's not disappearing anymore. So you wanna to zoom into this place, then you hold the mouse in this place. If you wanna whenever you wanna zoom out from and center some point, then you're gonna be able to do this way. Like I wanna center this point. It won't center anymore because that's the end of the workspace area. So yeah, so it's actually zooming in to the place you want, as you can see in here. So yeah, this pretty big blackboard as well for this behavior tree. So a few of them have to remove because they are unused anymore. But yeah, would be I think it for this video. Let me think. Is there anything else I wanted to go over? No. That's pretty much it. So let me know what you think. AI Fury beta version. I know it says 0.2, but it's already 0.4. This model that you saw today, it's 0.4. So basically, actually, I'm gonna be okay. That's my plan. I'm gonna be releasing AI Fury for free. But this version for free will have some things like, for example, oh shit, no. You're gonna have not here. I wanted to run game. I'm just gonna show you. The free version is gonna have, and it's gonna be still beta version. So, any bugs and stuff like this, would be cool if you can comment or text me on email, telling me what is the bug and how can I reproduce it so I can debug it and fix. So here you have my email on left down corner. You could see it for entire game that we played before. So it's AI Fury 0.4 and this is my email. Or you can you're allowed to text me over there and ask any question you want. And also, when I release it, this email will be to contact me if there are any bugs, if you want to help me developing it better. So, that kind of stuff. Yeah, and I'm gonna be releasing AI Fury around I don't know, version 0.5. So the next version will be out, but it's beta. So still, be patient and all this stuff because I'm working alone on this project and still giving this for free. So yeah, free version is gonna have this on the left down corner. So whenever you create some cool AI with this, would be cool if you record some video and post on YouTube so you can spread a word about this application. So that would be cool. And also this will be, it's non-commercial. It's gonna be non-commercial, so you don't have right to create anyways, this is beta version, so who would want to create full real games that you gain money on, right? So crap. Okay, I shouldn't play. I shouldn't be playing now. Okay. What else? As I said, the free version will be 0.5, maybe 0.6, but I guess 0.5 would be the free version now to be released. And you're gonna be able to have all that, but with non-commercial, of course. And this is beta version, so yeah. And what else do I want to say? I know I'm repeating myself, but I feel like I had something important to say as well about this free version. Yeah, something else was that I may be limiting the free version by some things, like decreasing size of tree or something like this. but we will see. We will see. I mean, probably gonna be also releasing this entire project, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. You're just gonna have something to play around with. So I may be releasing this project as well soon. So that would be it for this video, and let me know in the comments what you think about it. What's your thoughts? What can I do better? Maybe you have any suggestions about the application itself, building behavior trees and stuff. And feel free to text me to comment on YouTube, or text me on email, whatever you want. So see you in the next video.